Within information technology, change control is a component of change management. So the change control process is usually conducted as a sequence of steps proceeding from submission of a change request. And typical ID change requests including adding new features to software applications, installing patches, and upgrading network equipment. So small projects have different process and needs than larger projects. And small project teams generally want low overhead so they can focus on delivering the product. Requests for change usually come from stakeholders, and it is your responsibility as a project manager to assess the impact of accepting these changes into your project. To do this, you need a good estimate of the impact the change will have in terms of the extra efforts and the cost involved. This will often impact the schedule as well. So by having a clear understanding of how the schedule and budget will be affected, you can make the decision as to whether or not it will accept the changes. So on a small project, there shouldn't be any need for any fancy change control board to decide if the change is accepted. A quick discussion with the key stakeholders should be enough for you to come to a decision, providing you have worked out the impact on cost and schedule. One thing that I learned is that we cannot simply accepting the change. Even if you think the change is small, we should never accept any changes without fully understanding what its impact will be on cost and schedule. So that is a recipe for what is called a scope creep, where the project grows bigger and bigger as more and more changes are added. So before you know it, your small project has become a much larger one, and you will inevitably fail to deliver to your original budget and schedules.